Kia ora, merry Monday morning. I'm Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute or so. Definitely or so. Right, another big weekend, and we cannot cover everything, so we are just going to narrow things down to US non-farm payrolls, basically unemployment statistics, and reactions to Friday morning's surprise announcement of the US imposing more tariffs on Chinese imports. That doesn't sound like a lot, but it is a lot. Yeah. So tariffs, quick refresher there, 10% on the last remaining 300 billion of imports, and those are mainly consumer goods, due to take effect on the 1st of September. Now, China, since that announcement, have declared they won't take this next round of tariffs lying down, but they also haven't stated what form retaliation might take, which is scarier, potentially. It's like a dad who doesn't yell when you do something dumb as a teenager, but just looks disappointed and slowly shakes his head. Yeah. Other big thing, US non-farm payrolls. 164,000 jobs were created in the US in July. Bang on forecasts. But there were downward revisions to job creation across the prior 2 months. The unemployment rate that held steady at 3.7%, but it was expected to tick down to 3.6%, so steady. A little bit disappointing. Average hourly earnings, a small increase in expectations, but that was offset by a small dip in the average number of hours worked. There's a theme here. It's all a bit muddled, but on the balance, it's not really good or bad. The market, though, in light of all that tariff stuff, focused upon the negative aspects. So reactions, US equity indices are lower, somewhere between 0.4 and 1.3%. Tech stocks, techquities, they were hit the hardest. European and Asian stocks massively lower, mainly because Friday was the first opportunity to react to the tariff increase news, down 2-point-something to 3-point-something% across the board. So all that cash from the dumping of equities that had to go somewhere, and that somewhere was safe haven assets. So yields on government bonds sank, the yen surged. Speaking of currencies, the Kiwi, that fell towards 65 US cents on Friday, but bounced before it could hit that increasingly important technical level, ending the week around 65.35 US cents, and varying degrees of lower against the other major currencies. Okay, how are we going for time? We are too long, so surface skimmed there. We will dig deeper into the weekend's events in first hand, and a little later this morning, our buds at Kiwi Economics will release First View, their preview of the week ahead, and yeah, it's going to be a big week. Okay, done and dusted. Happy Monday. Ka kite.